Hey guys, today we're waiting on parts still to repair the hail damage that we got 2 weeks ago. So hopefully our parts will be in soon. But we have company coming up and we need a third row or at least 7 passenger. We don't have that. We have 5-seater, 5-seater, 2-seater. So my wife and I were talking and thought, well, why don't we just make a 3-seater out of a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. So there's your standard back seat. We found seats out of a 2000 Land Rover Discovery. And with those seats, they used to fold down and then set up to the side. That I just couldn't make that work. I didn't have enough room to allow them to pivot. So I built a frame out of 1-inch 3/16 wall tubing. The frame is 39 inches wide, 14 inches deep. That's what worked best for my seats to bolt to the frame. So I welded the frame solid, bolted the seats to the frame, and then I bolted the frame to the floor. After we got it all put in, there was enough space that I thought, well, I'm going to get a cup holder in there so the kids don't destroy everything, hopefully, and spill their soda everywhere and yuck, nastiness. But I couldn't make the ratcheting seat belts work without a good place to mount them. I wasn't, it's just not safe to mount it to the fiberglass, and I'm not 100% sure the seats are gonna stay in, so I don't want to go through the trouble of putting another bar on the roll bar until we decide 100% whether it's gonna stay or not. So I had some belts, lap belts out of an old Ford laying around, and I thought, well, that's gonna work for now. Still adjustable enough for the kids. I think it's going to work. I am extremely satisfied in the way it turned out. You know, when the seats are down, you still have enough room to throw something in here with your back seats up. But an adult's not going to sit here. So when the back seats are up, I think you have enough room for maybe a case of beer and 2 or 3 groceries. That's about it. But it serves the purpose we needed it to serve. It doesn't need to be a grocery getter for this week. It just needs to be a people carrier. So I'm gonna roll with it for now and see what we think. If you guys have any questions on how I did it, what I used, where I got it, let me know. If not, awesome. I hope you guys saw something pretty cool. I hope you guys like it. Comment in the questions. Let me know what you think. Remember to like and subscribe. It shows YouTube we're decent guys just out here having fun.